What's up? आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट फॉर्मिंग अ प्लान फॉर वेट ट्रेनिंग। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई नीड टू टेल यू दैट दिस वीडियो इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट गोना टेक इनटू अकाउंट योर स्पेसिफिक गोल। अगर तुम एक 6 या 7 महीने के ब्रेक के बाद आ रहे हो या फिर you're starting out as a beginner, this will help you because I am honestly just going to talk about how to start. So this video is for someone who is swimming in the ocean and wants to spot an island. I don't know why I come up with these random ass analogies, but you know what? This is what makes Skipper Channel analogy. Also, मैं आगे जितने भी points mention करने वाली हूँ, एक क्वेश्चन हर पॉइंट में कॉमन रहने वाला है विच इज ऑफ adherence, and that is the most important thing because I can give you the best plan. Okay, I can give you the best booty builder plan in the planet, but it won't work unless you actually work that booty, and also not even just work, do it consistently. So every point that I make, ask yourself this question: if you can adhere to it for a longer period of time, if you can adhere to it for at least 4 to 5 months down the line, then go to the next question. I'm going to keep this video very simple, okay? I'm not going to be using a lot of technical terms and fancy things here because video is that girl who goes to the gym and probably gets intimidated because of huge overcrowding of men in some areas of the gym. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's start with point number 1, which is to plan out the number of days that you're going to be going in a week. First question that you need to ask yourself is the number of days that you can actually accommodate in a week. Okay, it's not about 6 दिन जाऊंगा, 1 दिन रेस्ट लूंगा या लूंगी एंड मेरी बॉडी बन जाएगी एंड आई एम गोना बी हैप्पी. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. I personally would recommend 3 to 4 days, which is somewhere like I feel like that's the sweet spot for almost everyone. Again, this is a general recommendation. Don't overwhelm yourselves. Go for 3 days. Test it out for at least 8 weeks and see how you feel. If you want to increase it, then you can increase it after 8 weeks. अरे डायरी में नंबर ऑफ डेज सेट हो गया. So suppose 3 दिन है, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sorted. The next step that comes into the picture is कि तुम्हें ये 3 दिन को अप्रोच कैसे करना है. फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट्स के थ्रू या फिर अपर लोअर अपर एंड कंटिन्यूअस साइकिल होते रहता है. नेक्स्ट वीक जो स्टार्ट होएगा वो लोअर से स्टार्ट होगा. और यू कैन हैव a push-pull leg session. I would prefer you go for full body and I'll tell you the reason why. For example, अगर मैंने push, pull और legs का session किया है, which means that Friday को मैं leg session कर रही हूँ, तो नेक्स्ट वीक फ्राइडे को वापस मेरा लेग सेशन होगा और उसके बीच में गैप मेरा आ जाएगा 7 दिन का. 6 days is more than enough of a time for your body to rest and recover. By having 3 full body days, you will be making sure कि तुम अपना लोअर बॉडी को हर ऑल्टरनेट डे पे ट्रेन कर रहे हो. इससे एक जो वॉल्यूम होगा वर्कआउट का वो स्प्रेड आउट हो जाएगा इवनली. दूसरा, यू विल हैव द टाइम टू रेस्ट एंड रिकवर. यू हैव सेट योर डेज and the approach towards your training, which means that तुमने अपना एक split set कर लिया है. हमारा next आता है exercise selection. So 3 दिन full body है. What exercise are you going to choose and plan in those full body workouts? Obviously तुम्हें जिम में बहुत सारे machines मिलेंगे जिसमें तुम अलग अलग body part पे focus कर सकते हो. But I would definitely say that even though machine workouts are there and it's going to be easy for you to maybe do a leg press instead of a squat, you need to give yourself some time to learn these basic movements. You need to make sure that you are spending some time to acquire these new skills, to make your body learn how to squat. If you can't go for a barbell squat, then at least start with a goblet squat or just start with a bodyweight squat. So understand this one thing: the early adaptations that happen in our body in the weight room are neural in nature. So maybe हमारा muscle size increase नहीं होएगा, but definitely वो at least 4 to 8 weeks you will see that your body is able to perform that movement better and better in each session, and those are basically neural adaptations happening in your body because your body is learning a new movement and you're practicing this every week. So definitely spend some time in learning the basics. No exercise which is superior or inferior to any another exercise. And the reason is that हमारी body सबकी बहुत differently built हुई है. So anatomy wise as well हमारी body different होएगी, which means that maybe my limb length जो मेरी पैरों की length है versus the limb length of some other girl or a guy would be very different, and that would definitely affect how your body moves. That's why I can't make a statement which says that this XYZ exercise is superior to this exercise, so that should be in your plan. And hence, my recommendation in this point is going to be very general but interesting. 6 movements: push, pull, knee bending movement, hinge, carry, and accessory movements. These are the 6 things you're gonna make your plan with. I'm gonna first try to explain all of these 6 movements individually, and then we'll see how we can club it and make a plan. Alright, we're first gonna cover these 2 movements. उसके बाद हम बाकी 3 movements में जाएंगे. तो ये 2 movement में I'm gonna segregate into
horizontal and vertical, again horizontal and vertical. So again there's going to be like a midline.
Okay, so horizontal अगर ये lane में है, इसका मतलब I am pushing it in this way. Okay, that means that it's gonna basically include all the chest press movements. So bench press, incline bench press, flat bench press, and the list goes on. Vertical. So push vertical movement is gonna be everything related to overhead press, right? So if you're doing seated overhead press or standing overhead press or different variations using different equipment, basic thing to remember is that this is the primary motion that we are looking at. Horizontal pull, it's gonna be a movement of this, or I can change my torso angle, like look down, and it's gonna be a movement of this. So I'm gonna term that as a horizontal movement, and a horizontal pull movement can be a seated row variation. और जब हम vertical pull में आते हैं, vertical pull होगा ऊपर से नीचे, that is lat pull down, and obviously variations के हिसाब से तुम cable करो या फिर single arm lat pull down करो. Again, primary focus on ऊपर से नीचे. These are the 4 primary movements that we are focusing on. The muscles which will be aligned in the vertical direction will be hit in the vertical motion. Muscles which will be aligned in the horizontal pull movement pattern will be hit differently. So basically the idea ये है कि ये 2 movement pattern में focus करना है और जो variation तुम्हें आई है वो इधर लिखना है. In the end, what we're going to do is incorporate this and probably do it in day 1. And now my board sucks. But okay, let's just do it in 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
We're going. Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh no!
Next 2 movement जो मैंने बोले थे was knee bendy and it's a weird name, to be honest. Also, I promise that इतने technical terms मैं use नहीं करूँगी, so that's why knee bendy and hinge movement. ठीक है. अब मैं एक डायग्राम बनाऊंगी जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा what I mean by hinge and knee bendy. Knee bendy movement is gonna involve where your knees are flexing, which means the angle over here is a little less. I can also take a lunge. So even this is a knee bendy movement because you can see the angle is very less over here. Okay, hinge में ये नी का एंगल अगर तुम नोटिस कर रहे हो यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है वर्सेस यहाँ बहुत कम है बिकॉज हिंज इज लाइक अ डेडलिफ्ट pattern. So if you can imagine this person here lifting the barbell. So hinge will involve all the deadlift kind of patterns with kettlebell, barbell, anything. And knee bending में squats आएगा, lunges आएगा, goblet squats आएगा, heel elevated goblet squats आएगा. So there are a lot of other examples that I can fill it here. But the whole concept is कि यहाँ पर तुम्हारा knee flexion ज़्यादा है और hinge में नहीं है. So you can categorize the movement accordingly. Okay, guys, before मैं एक ये sample प्रोग्राम बनाऊँ, प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड कि मैं ऐसा कोई फ्री का प्रोग्राम नहीं बना रही हूँ and you don't have to copy what I'm making. I honestly made this video so that थोड़ी understanding हो कि तुम कैसे start कर सकते हो. I want you to take out how to form the plan according to your own and your own wants. So let's get back to the board. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. ठीक है. Push pull जो मैंने 4 elements focus किए थे इससे पहले, मैं accessory और carries बाद में समझाऊंगी. But अभी के लिए push में horizontal और vertical. God bless my handwriting. Also, I'm going to use the initials KB for knee bend for hinge. So let's say we start from knee bending movement. It could be a leg press, but it could also be squats. So I would want you to go for squats. That requires practice. So start with some skill work. The next I'm going to do is a push horizontal. So this could be a dumbbell bench press. My third is gonna be again a lower body element. This time I'm gonna add hinge. So any hinge. So it could be RDL, deadlift, kettlebell deadlift. Fourth, I'm gonna have a pull vertical. So I'm gonna have probably lat pull down here. फिर बाद में हम एक्सेसरी ऐड करेंगे जो मैं बाद में समझाऊंगी. अब हम डे 2 में जाते हैं. डे 2 में अगेन आई वुड वांट यू टू स्टार्ट विद सम स्किल वर्क. सो लेट्स से आई चूज पुल स्किल वर्क. सो लेट्स से पुल अगेन वर्टिकल व्हिच वुड बी pull-ups. If you can't do pull-ups, then you obviously regress it and do it. Focus on eccentric pull-ups or focus on just scapular pull-ups for the start. The second one, we can move towards knee bending. This time, because मैंने यहाँ पर skill work involve कर लिया है, you can go here for leg press or lunges. Then I come to push vertical. So push vertical में we will come to overhead press. The fourth one we will go to hinge. And here you can go for glute bridge or hip thrust. Okay. फिर हम आते हैं डे 3 में. मैंने स्टार्ट किया हिंज बार्बल डेडलिफ्ट से बिकॉज अगेन स्किल वर्क. सेकेंड आई कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पुश हॉरिजॉन्टल विच कैन बी इंक्लाइन बेंच प्रेस बिकॉज हमने पुश हॉरिजॉन्टल डे 1 में एट बेंच प्रेस कर लिया था. सो वी कैन जस्ट गो फॉर इंक्लाइन ओवर हियर. द थर्ड वन वी विल गो फॉर नी बेंडिंग. Again, if you have chosen leg press here, then go for lunges. The fourth one would be pull. You can go for a unilateral movement. Okay, so ये मैंने बहुत simple सा plan बनाया to make you understand how you can just collaborate exercises together to make a plan for yourself. If you have noticed, I've only put like 4 exercises. If you want to go for more, then go for 6 to 9. But honestly, the more simple you keep, the better your start will be. दूसरा चीज़ होएगा कि तीनों में एक्सेसरी मूवमेंट होने वाला है. ट्रेनिंग फॉर योर हिप फ्लेक्सर्स विच आई मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड और योर कोर और योर काफ मसल्स, स्मॉलर मसल ग्रुप दैट इज एक्चुअली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन वी हैव कैरीज विच is a separate topic in itself. Even this is a separate topic in itself. What I want you to understand from this is that I've tried to make a plan which incorporates your lower body movement, both of them, and your upper body movement, both of them. And also this makes sure that तुम अलग movement pattern के साथ भी exercises कर रहे हो. So अगर यहाँ पर push horizontal है तो यहाँ push vertical है. If you want to bias your day 1 with more lower body stuff, just add more knee bending or more hinge movement in this, or you can remove your push and pull and just make this as lower body, and you can superset knee bending and hinge together. I hope I'm making this clear. I know there are a lot of terms in the board, but I hope कि थोड़ा सा understanding हो रहा है कि मैंने कैसे club किया है. Main 4 things elements that I wanted to talk to you about were these 4 elements, and this is what the plan will look. You can obviously increase the volume or decrease the volume. For me, if I'm starting out, I would want to have minimum volume to not overwhelm anyone. Plus, I'll tell you one more thing. Starting में बहुत जोश में होते हैं सब लोग, and when you go on with your life, वो जोश थोड़ा कम होते रहता है. And you need to make sure कि जोश रहे या ना रहे, you still need to work for it, right? So that's why start from the bare minimum and work your way up. Again, remember that ये plan is just like, where do I start? And this will help you with that. as in when your goals get more specific, you need to approach it in a in a more sophisticated manner. So yeah, that was about it.